Innovative Problem-Solving Techniques for Creative Thinkers. Title: Innovative Problem-Solving Techniques for Creative Thinkers. Introduction. In today's fast-paced and ever-evolving world, creative problem-solving has become an essential skill for individuals to navigate the challenges they encounter. To truly solve problems innovatively, one must think out of the box and embrace techniques that foster creativity. In this article, we will explore a range of innovative problem-solving techniques that can unleash the potential of creative thinkers. 1. Mind mapping. Mind mapping is a powerful technique that allows individuals to visually represent ideas and connections. By starting with a central concept or problem and branching out into related ideas, mind mapping helps to uncover new perspectives. This technique encourages free-flowing thoughts and opens up creative pathways that might not have been considered in a linear approach. Mind maps can be created using pen and paper or specialized software, making it accessible to all. 2. Reverse brainstorming. Reverse brainstorming flips the conventional brainstorming process on its head. Instead of generating ideas to solve a problem, creative thinkers strive to identify ways to exacerbate or worsen the problem. By thinking about the problem from a different angle, this technique helps challenge assumptions and stretches the boundaries of the mind. Once the negative aspects are identified, the reverse brainstorming session can shift gears, focusing on finding solutions to each of these problems approached from the opposite perspective. 3. Scamper technique. Scamper stands for substitute, combine, adapt, modify, put to another use, eliminate, and reverse. This technique encourages creative thinkers to approach a problem by considering various ways to modify or adapt existing ideas. The Scamper method sparks creativity by prompting individuals to view problems through multiple lenses and discover new applications for existing solutions. Adopting this technique stimulates innovative thinking by promoting the exploration of unconventional perspectives. 4. Random word stimulation. Random word stimulation employs the use of unrelated or random words to inspire creative problem solving. By introducing a random word into the problem-solving process, creative thinkers are challenged to generate connections between the word and the problem at hand. This technique encourages innovative thinking, forcing individuals to think outside their habitual patterns and tap into unexpected solutions. 5. 6 Thinking Hats. The 6 Thinking Hats technique, developed by Edward de Bono, encourages individuals to analyze problems from different perspectives. By systematically switching between these different modes of thinking, creative problem solvers gain a holistic understanding of the problem and can generate innovative solutions. 6. Storyboarding. Storyboarding, commonly used in the field of filmmaking, is an effective technique to visually map out a problem and its potential solutions. This technique involves creating a series of images or sketches that represent different stages or scenarios related to the problem. Storyboarding encourages the exploration of various perspectives and can help creative thinkers visualize their ideas better, fostering innovative problem solving. 7. Scam-cow technique. Scam-cow, based on the Scamper technique, represents substitute, combine, adapt, maximize, challenge, overcome, and what if. This extended version adds 2 additional elements to the original Scamper technique: maximize and challenge. Maximize prompts creative thinkers to push existing ideas or solutions to their fullest potential, encouraging them to go beyond their limitations. Challenge invites individuals to confront assumptions and explore unconventional techniques, pushing boundaries to find breakthrough solutions. Title: Innovative Problem-Solving Techniques for Creative Thinkers. Introduction. In today's fast-paced and ever-evolving world, creative problem-solving has become an essential skill for individuals to navigate the challenges they encounter. To truly solve problems innovatively, one must think out of the box and embrace